Close your eyes and picture this. Humans with wings. Not airplanes or mechanical inventions. Real feathered wings extending from our backs, enabling us to fly like birds. It sounds like a dream come true, but how would this transformation reshape our world? Would it bring freedom, innovation, and unity? Or would it reveal unforeseen challenges? From the moment you learn to walk, you'd also learn to fly. Children would take flight lessons before they even start school. Parks would be filled not just with playgrounds, but with towering launch platforms and landing zones. Imagine the skies filled with people commuting, exercising, or simply enjoying the freedom of flight. Our cities would evolve dramatically. Roads and highways might become obsolete. Instead of cars and buses, we'd have sky lanes and floating traffic signals. Tall buildings would have landing pads on every floor, and the ground level would be reserved for rest and recreation. Skyscrapers might stretch even higher, taking advantage of humans' ability to fly. But flight wouldn't come without challenges. Wings would require enormous energy to use, so our diets would need to be packed with calories and nutrients to sustain us. Could the Earth's resources handle the demands of billions of winged humans? And what about safety? Collisions in the air could be deadly, and stormy weather would become an even greater threat. Flying in flocks might be essential for protection, much like birds do today. Society's dynamics would shift. Winged humans might create a new form of inequality. What if some people's wings were stronger, faster, or more beautiful than others? Could this lead to divisions, with those who excel at flight rising literally and figuratively to positions of power? Jobs, sports, and even beauty standards would all be influenced by the quality of one's wings. The natural world would feel closer than ever. Imagine soaring over forests, mountains, and oceans, experiencing the beauty of nature firsthand. But with humanity taking to the skies, how would this affect birds and other aerial creatures? Would we disrupt their habitats? Or could we learn to share the skies in harmony? And then there's the emotional impact. The freedom of flight could transform the human spirit. Imagine soaring above the clouds to clear your mind, or gliding over the ocean at sunset. Would this new perspective make us more connected to the world and each other? Or would the skies become as crowded and stressful as the cities below? But there would also be darker possibilities. How would governments regulate the skies? Would there be restrictions on where and how we could fly? Could flight be weaponized, with conflicts moving from the ground to the air? The beauty of flight might also bring new dangers, as humanity's flaws and ambitions take to the skies. A world where humans have wings would be a blend of wonder and complexity. We'd gain freedom, but face new responsibilities. The skies would offer endless possibilities, but also new challenges to overcome. Would this gift bring us closer to our dreams, or remind us of the weight of our humanity? What if humans had wings? Would we soar toward a brighter future, or find ourselves grounded by unforeseen obstacles? Subscribe now to explore the biggest what-if questions and be part of our milestone tradition. When we hit 1 million subscribers, 10 lucky members will receive $500 gift cards every month.